We're going to fishing today. We're going fishing.
Heck yeah.
Fishing.
Fishing.
I caught a fish right here in the bucket.
Oh, see.
In the bucket. Big
ass fishing.
I know. How long I caught the fish?
The fishes. Heck.
How long I caught the fish?
It took about a couple seconds and he reeled in.
For real?
Oh man, for real.
I got down on fishing.
Heck yeah, man. You got Luckerman's fish.
Luckerman fishing, man.
Heck yeah, man.
Look at the river. Look at.
Look at the river. It's got the shine, the glow.
It got the green stuff on the bottom too. Leashes.
It's got their favorite bomb seaweed. We live,
Oh yeah. We got a fish. We got a fish right there. We got the fish right there. Ernie Monster Adventures now. We're catching big fish.
Heck yeah.
Big fish. You caught fish yet, bro?
I don't know. Might check it. See what's going
Okay,
on.
really reeling.
Oh man. Shoot. I see something, but I don't know. It could be a bump in the road.
Bumping the road.
Yeah, hopefully.
We're getting famous on YouTube. Play around.
Oh man.
I'm going fishing today. I caught one with the old school reel. Look at that reel. Sexy reel. There. Pimp reel. Oh yeah, they're biting in the pole.
Time on the bites though.
Yeah, they are. Are you caught fish over here, bro?
Not yet. Zero. Nada.
We'll catch a fish today.
Hopefully. Aiming high.
Oh, don't break it.
Shoot. Thing always bouncing on my way. Man, you got a lot of luck though, man. When you catch the fish, man, you can use this pole, that pole. They're like, we know our fish are.
I lose a lucky pole. The green one string. The green string on it. Huh, bro? The green string on it, huh, bro? Oh, look at dip right there. Oh, ladder right there. The deep part.
Right there now.
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully we get some.
I catch something right now. Like, give it a minute. Hey, my line going that way, bro. Catch a big fish. We got the knives. We got the worms. We got everything. We got fish we caught right here. Hell yeah. Well, Ernie video, we have to end in a couple more minutes. I'll make a recording again. Alright, bye.